Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TalentLMS, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install TalentLMS, begin by visiting the official Talented Learning website. Click on the Get Started button prominently featured on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in the required fields with your personal or business information. Select a password that meets the security requirements. After completing the form, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a confirmation message from TalentLMS. Follow the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your new TalentLMS account. You will be greeted with a setup wizard to guide you through initial configurations. Choose your organization's name and select your preferred language. Select the type of training you plan to offer. You can opt for corporate training, nonprofit training, or educational training. Next, fill out any additional information requested in the Setup wizard. Once you've completed the configuration steps, click Finish Setup. You will now have access to the TalentLMS dashboard. From the dashboard, you can begin customizing your training environment. Start by uploading your logo and choosing color schemes for branding. Explore the course creation options by clicking on the Courses tab. Create your first course by clicking the Add Course button. Fill in the course details including title, description, and objectives. You can now start adding content to your course, such as videos, quizzes, and documents. After populating the course with materials, click on the Save button. Set enrollment options for your course and specify who can access it. Once everything is set, publish your course to make it live for learners. Explore additional features like tracking learner progress and assessing performance. Finally, take advantage of TalentLMS's reporting tools to analyze training effectiveness. With these steps completed, you're now ready to manage your online training seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.